Hello, welcome. Let us work on order of operation, and we are going to use PEMDAS. We have the question that has bracket, it has also parentheses and exponents. First of all, we are going to work in the bracket. Inside the bracket, I'm going to work on these parentheses and these parentheses. 4 in the bracket, 8 minus 6, it is 2 square, plus 10 minus 9, we get 1 square in the bracket, plus 16. I'm still working with parentheses, the bracket, and now I'm going to work on exponents. The movement is from left to right. 4 in the bracket, 2 square, I got 4, plus 1 square is 1, in the bracket, plus 16. Between the bracket and 4, there is multiplication, so multiply by 4 plus 1, we got 5, plus 16. We have finished with parentheses, exponent. Now we are going to multiplication, and we have to multiply 4 multiplied by 5. That is going to be 20 plus 16. That gives us 36. Let us do question number 2. It have bracket and also it has exponent. First, I'm going to do in the bracket, where I'll start with exponent. Let's go to solution part. Between 6 and 5 square, there is multiplication here. 2 in the bracket, 3 plus 6 multiplied by 5 square in the bracket. In the bracket, we are going to work with exponent. 2 in the bracket, 3 plus 6 multiplied by 5 square, it is 25 in the bracket. Still working in the bracket, and now I'm going to do multiplication. 2 in the bracket, 3 plus 6 multiplied by 25, we get 150 in the bracket. Now I'm going to add 3 plus 150. Between 2 and the bracket, there is multiplication. So we have 2 multiplied by 153. 2 multiplied by 153, we are going to get 306. Hope you understand the two questions that we have done together. For more video on order of operation, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.